Hello students, I welcome you all for my today's class. So today we are going to discuss on the topic Doshika Yonivapat Chikitsa, that is the treatment of gynecological disorders caused by the specific doshas like Vataja Yonivapat Chikitsa, Pittaja, Kaphaja Yonivapat Chikitsa, Sannipataja and Dvidoshaja Yonivapat Chikitsa. So coming to one by one, first is about the Vataja Yonivapat Chikitsa. So Vataja Yonivapat Chikitsa is mentioned by Acharya Charaka and Sushruta. The quotation of Charaka is important. You must by heart the quotations. The quotation goes like this: Snehana sweda vastiyadi Vataja swa anilapaham Vatavyadiharam karmam Vatartanam sadahitam Vatartanam cha yoninam Snehabhyanga pichu kriyaha Ushna snigdaha Prakartavyasthailani Snehani cha. This is mentioned in Charaka Chikitsa 30th chapter. And according to Vagbhata, Snehana Swedana Vastiyadi Vata la Swanilapaham. So here the line of treatment of Vataja Yonivapat is mentioned as follows. First of all, in the first line they have mentioned Sneha Sweda Basti. Snehana, Swedana and Basti is to be given with the Vataja Swanilapaham is Vatahara Dravyas. So with the help of Vatahara Dravyas, you have to go for the Snehana, that is oilation, Swedana, sudation and Basti, which is the enema. Here you can consider either the normal Basti or the Uttara Basti with the drugs capable of suppressing Vata, or with the Vatahara Dravyas you have to go for the Snehana, Swedana and Basti. And the next line they says that Vata Vyadhi Haram Karmam Vatartanam Sadahitam. That is the treatment which is prescribed for the suppression of Vata in general. So general Vata Vyadhi Hara treatment is to be applied here. So all the treatments which suppresses the Vata, or the treatment which is mentioned for the Vata Vyadhi, can also be applied in cases of Vataja Yoni Vyapat. And the next line they have mentioned that Vatartanam cha yoni nam Sekabhyanga pichu kriyaha. And Snigdha Ushna drugs is to be taken. So that the oil prepared with the drugs possessing Ushna and Snigdha qualities, Ushna that is hot in nature and Snigdha is octous properties, should be used for giving the Sthanika Chikisas, that is a local treatment like Seka, Abhyanga and Pichu, local irrigation, massage and the tampon. So for giving this local treatment or the Sthanika Chikisa, Sneha, Seka, Abhyanga, Pichu, Kriya, we have to go for the Tailas which are having the Ushna and Snigdha properties. And lastly they have mentioned that Udavarta mein Varnit number 1 ki Chikisa. So in the Udavarta, whichever the treatment is mentioned for the Udavarta Yoni Vyapat, the first treatment which is given for the Udavarta Yoni Vyapat is to be applied here. So there they have mentioned the use of Traivrut Sneha. Traivrut Sneha, there are 4 types of Snehas, no? So except Majjat, we have to take 3 Snehas. So Traivrut Sneha is to be taken, that is Ghrita, Taila, Vasa, except Majja. So this Traivrut Sneha is to be used for giving Basti, and for Snehana, Traivrut Taila is to be used. And they have also mentioned in the Udavarta Dashamula Dugdha. Dashamula Dugdha can be used for Pana as well as for Basti. So Dashamula Siddha Dugdha is to be taken for the oral administration or Pana, and for as well as for Basti. So that is mentioned for the Udavarta Chikisa. So this is all about the Chikisa Siddhanta of Vatala Yoni Vyapat. So coming to the explanation, here they have mentioned the Snehana. Then coming to the Sweda, the different types of Swedana can be done like Kumbhi Sweda, Nadi Sweda, Prastara Sweda, Ashma Sweda, Nadi, Kumbhi, Prastar, Ashma, Pinda, Sarkar, etc. So different types of Swedanas can be applied here. So after giving Swedana or sudation, I have to advise patient to take bath with the lukewarm water followed by the diet mixed with either the Mamsarasa or meat soup medicated with the drugs capable of suppressing Vata, that is Vatahara Mamsarasa, and the meat soup of the wild animals, because they have the capacity of suppressing the Vata, wild animals. So next is about the Pichu. For the Pichu, the specific oil is mentioned here, which is called as Guduchi Adi Taila. So Pichu is to be given with the Guduchi Adi Taila. The method of preparation of Guduchi Adi Taila is given here. So total 9 drugs is to be taken. 9 drugs like Guduchi, Malati, Rasana, Bala, Madhuka, Chitraka, Nidigdika, Devadaru and Euthika. So these all drugs is to be taken in 1 karsha quantity each, and the paste is to be prepared of all these drugs. And in this basti you have to add taila in 1 prastha quantity, gomutra and go dugdha each in 2 prastha quantity is to be mixed together, and oil is to be prepared. So this oil is called as the guduchyadi taila. So 9 ingredients plus taila plus gomutra and godugdha. So this guduchyadi taila is very beneficial. You can use this taila for giving the pichu as well as for basti. It is useful. So here the one more name for this is rasanadi taila, which is mentioned by Vagbhatas. They have mentioned it as rasanadi taila instead of guduchyadi taila. Why it is called as guduchyadi taila? Because the first ingredient is guduchi, so it is called as guduchyadi taila by Charaka, depending on the first ingredient, and whereas it is called as rasanadi taila by the Vagbhatas because they have considered rasana as the first drug. And next is a kalka dharana. Here special kalka is mentioned. Himsra kalkam tu vatartam koshnabhyajya dharayet. Himsra kalka samirato koshnabhyajya dharayet. So here himsra kalka is mentioned. So first of all you have to anoint the yoni of the woman with the sukhoshna taila or with the lukewarm water first. The snehana is to be done to the yoni, that is local snehana is to be done, followed by the application of the paste of himsra or himsra kalka dharana is to be applied locally. So kalka dharana, himsra kalka dharana is mentioned for vataja yoni roga. Next is about basti. Here different bastis are mentioned like guduchyadi taila basti or amla yukt taila basti. So here the basti or vaginal or the uterine installation with either guduchyadi taila or the taila which is prepared with the juice of the amla dravyas or amla yukta taila is to be used for giving basti. Next is about the ghrita pana. Here one special ghrita is mentioned called as a Kashmari Adi ghrita, which is considered as a Uttama Garbhadayaka, means it is very good and it increases progeny. So the method of preparation of Kashmari Adi ghrita is given here. The ingredients of Kashmari Adi ghrita is the Kashmari Trifala, Draksha, Kasamarda, Parushaka, Punarnava, Duirajani, Kakanasha, Sahachara, Shatavari, Guduchi. So all this is to be taken in 1 aksha quantity and a paste is to be prepared, and it should be mixed with the 1 prastha ghrita and it is to be cooked as per the ghrita vidhi. Then the use of this Kashmari Adi ghrita is it cures all the yoni rogas caused by vata. It also gives progeny or increases the fertility. Both the Vagbhatas are substituted Kakanasa with the Sukanasa. The preparation can be named as Kashmari Adi ghrita according to the description of Charaka and Vagbhata second, but it is also called as Shatavari Adi ghrita according to the Vagbhata 1 or Ashtang Sangrakara. So this is all about the Vataja Yoni Vyapat Chikitsa. So the line of treatment is Snehana Soedana Vasti with Vatahara drugs, Vatavadihara Karma, and the local treatment like Seka Abhyanga Pichu is to be given with the Vatahara Dravyas, and the Snehana, for Snehana here Taila is used which is having the Ushna and Snigdha quantity, and different Pichus and Vastis have been mentioned here. And next coming to the Pittaja Yoni Vyapada Chikitsa. So the Chikitsa Siddhanta of Pittaja Yoni Vyapada is the quotation of Charaka is important here. This quotation is important. कार्ययेत रक्तपित्तघ्नं शीतं पित्तकृतासु च पित्तलानां तु योनिनां सेको अभ्यङ्ग पिचु क्रियाः शीतः पित्तहराः कार्याः स्नेहनार्थे घृतानि च पित्तघ्न औषधि सिद्धानि कार्याणि भेषजा तथा. And one more is given by Ashtang Sangrakara, Pittalanam Ghrutani cha. And one more is mentioned, Panchavalkalasya Pittartha. So these quotations are important, by heart all these quotations. So coming to the line of treatment, here the line of treatment is Rakta Pitta Ghanam Shitam Pitta Kritasu cha Karayet. That is the first of all here in all the yoni rogas caused by the vitiation of Pitta, the cooling drugs or the methods prescribed for the Rakta Pitta should be used. Here Rakta Pitta Ghana Chikitsa is mentioned and Shita Chikitsa. Rakta Pitta Hara Chikitsa and Shita Chikitsa, that is Pitta Hara or Shita Chikitsa is mentioned here for all the yoni rogas caused by the Pitta dosha. And next they have mentioned पितलानां तु योनीनां सेकाभ्यङ्ग पिचुक्रियाः. Seka Pichukriya, that is the Sthanika Chikitsa, like Seka local irrigation, Abhyanga is the massage, and Pichu is tampons prepared with the drugs having either the cooling property. In next line they have mentioned the drugs Pittagnas औषध सिद्धानि कार्याणि भेषजां शीतः पित्तहर कार्य स्नेहनार्थं कृतानि च. So the local treatment is to be given with the drugs having the shita properties or pitta nashaka properties. So the drugs capable of suppressing pitta dosha should be done. And for the snehana, either only ghruta is to be taken or the ghruta, medicated ghruta with the pittahara dravyas is to be taken. So here for snehana, especially the ghruta is mentioned. Either the plain ghruta or the ghruta made up of pittahara dravyas is applicable here. Next about the basti. So basti, for the basti they have mentioned the shira basti, that is the basti with the milk treated with either madhura group of drugs or madhuka should be given. So here the shira basti with the milk madhura dravyas, that is the milk medicated with either the madhura group of drugs or the madhuka. So madhura siddha shira basti or sa madhuka shira siddha basti is mentioned here. Next is about the kalka dharana. So like in vataja himsra kalka is mentioned, for pittaja panchavalkala kalka is mentioned. Panchavalkala kalka dharana is mentioned, that is a local application of the paste of panchavalkala should be given, as the panchavalkala is having the pitta nashaka property and they are having the shita guna. So panchavalkala is to be taken here for the kalka dharana. Next about the ghruta pana, ghruta for oral administration. So here the ghruta is prepared with the shira sarpi made up of Jeevaniya Sadhita Dravyas. The juice expressed from the 4 tulas of Jeevaniya group of drugs should be mixed with equal quantity of ghruta extracted directly from the milk and cooked. Oral use of this prepared ghruta cures all types of pittaja yoni rogas and also increases fertility or gives progeny. Aruna Datta opines that the milk or ghruta treated with the Jeevaniya group of drugs should be used. So here special ghruta is to be prepared with the Jeevaniya Sadhita Dravya. So with the milk of this ghruta is to be prepared, or directly with the Jeevaniya group of drugs ghruta is to be prepared. So Jeevaniya Dravya Sadhita Ghruta or Jeevaniya Dravya Sadhita Shira Ghruta or Shira Sarpi is used here. Or next is Phalaghruta. Lagu Phalaghruta described by the Sharangadhara under the general treatment is beneficial. So this is all about the Pittaja Yoni Vyapa Chikitsa. So we have seen the line of treatment is Rakta Pitta Ghana Chikitsa, Shita Karma, Sekabhyanga Pichu with the Pittahara Dravya, Snehana with Ghruta or Pitta Ghana Aushadhi Siddha Ghruta, then Shira Basti with Madhuka or Madhura group of drugs, then Ghruta Pana with the Shira Sarpi Jeevaniya Sadhita Ghruta. And next coming to the Kafaja Yoni Vyapa Chikitsa. So coming to first the Chikitsa Sutra of Kafaja Yoni Vyapa. This quotation is important. Shleshma jasu cha rukshoshna karma kuryad vichakshanaha. Shleshmalayam katuprayaha samudra vastayoho hitaha. Shleshmalayam hitaha. That is, here the line of treatment is ruksha karma, ruksha ushna karma. Here the Chikitsa Siddhant of Kafaja Yoni Vyapada is Ruksha and Ushna Karma. Ruksha means the dry, Ushna is a hot treatment. So you have to select here the Ruksha and Ushna Chikitsa is a line of treatment. Coming to the explanation, coming to first the Basti Prayoga. For the Basti, here the Gomutra is to be taken, Basti of the cow's urine mixed with the Katu Dravyas, that is the drugs having predominantly the Katu properties or Katu Rasa and Katu Vipaka should be given. So here the basti is to be done with the Katu Prayaha Gomutra. So that is the Gomutra with the Katu Dravyas is to be given basti. For Kalka Dharana, here Shama Kalka or Trivrut Kalka is mentioned. Shamadi Kafaturaha, Shamadinam Kafaturaha. That is the local application of the paste of Shama. Shama is nothing but the Trivrut is to be given in cases of Kafaja Yoni Rogas. Next is Varti. Yes, here in the Kafaja Yoni Vyapadas, Sanshodhani Vartis is mentioned here. The different Sanshodhani Vartis, because in Kafaja Shodhana is indicated. So for the Varti, Sanshodhani Vartis is to be given here. So Here three different types of Vartis have been mentioned here. First is the Varaha. This quotation is important. Yonyanam Shleshma Pradushayam Vartihi Sanshodhani Hitaha Varahe Bahushaha Pitte भावितैलाक्तैः कृतः भावितं पयसार्कस्य यवचूर्णेन स सैन्ध्वं वर्तिः कृतः मुहुर्धार्य ततः सेच्य सुखाम्बुना पिप्पल्या मरीचर्माशै शतः कुष्ठसैन्ध्वैः वर्तिस्तुल्य प्रदेशन्यधार्ये योनि विशोधनी. So Yoni Vishodhani or Samshodhani Vartis have been mentioned for Kaphaja Yoni Vyapadas. First Varti is to be prepared. The pessary prepared with the following drugs should be placed in the vaginal canal for the treatment of Yoni Rogas caused by the Visheshana or Shleshma. So first Varti is to be prepared with the Varaha Pitta, that is a piece of cloth soaked several times in the Varaha Pitta of Varaha, that is a bile of hog. So with the help of a piece of cloth soaked many times or several times in the Varaha Pitta, a Varti is to be prepared, but the Varaha Pitta Sadhita Varti it is called as. Next is a pessary or the Varti is to be prepared with the powdered Yava or Masha, that is Yava Churna Sa Saindhvam or Masha Churna Sa Saindhvam with the Arka Dugdha Bhavitam. That is a Varti is to be prepared either with the powdered Yava or Masha, barley or with the Masha mixed with the rock salt and pasted with the latex of Arka or Arka Dugdha. It should be placed either repeatedly or for a short time and should follow the irrigation of vaginal canal with the lukewarm water. So here Varti is to be prepared with Arka Dugdha Bhavita Yava Churna Sasa Indva or Masha Churna Sasa Indva Varti is mentioned here. Next third is called as Pipalyadi Varti. Pipalyadi Varti is also important. Here the Varti or pessary is to be prepared. Its size it should be just like a thickness. It should resemble the index finger. That is the Pradeshanya Dharya Satulya Pradeshani finger, that is the index finger. The thickness should resemble like that of index finger. And this Varti is to be prepared with a Pipali, Maricha, Masha, Shatahva, Kushta and the Saindhva or the rock salt. So this is called as Pipalyadi Varti. So like these three Samshodhani Vartis have been mentioned for Kaphaja. One is with the Varaha Pitta Sadhita Varti, another one is the Arka Dukta Bhavita Yava Churna Sa Saindhva or the Masha Churna Sa Saindhva Varti, and third is the Pipalyadi Varti. So next about the Pathya in cases of Kaphaja Yoni Vyapat. For in cases of Kaphaja Yoni Vyapat, Taila, Sidhu, Yava, Anna and Pathyarishta is considered as Pathya. Use of oil, Sidhu is one type of wine, barley is the Yava and cereals, and Pathyarishta is nothing but the Abhayarishta is considered as congenial or the Pathya. This all about the Kaphaja Yoni Vyapat Chikitsa. Next coming to the Dvidoshaja Yoni Vyapat Chikitsa. Kapha Vataja Yoni Vyapat Chikitsa and Vata Pittaja Yoni Vyapat Chikitsa. Though this Dvidoshaja Yoni Vyapat is not mentioned separately by the Charakas, but the treatment is mentioned about this Yoni Vyapada. So first about the Kapha Vataja Yoni Roga Chikitsa. Kaphavate, the quotation by Charaka goes like this. Kaphavate cha datavya tailamuttaravastinam tailamuttaravasti yatra jivaniya siddha tailam yogyam sansrishta cha karaye. This quotation you can by heart. Sansrishta cha karaye. Sansrishta cha karaye means here the sansrishta karma, that is the yoni rogas caused by the visheshan of kapha and vata, both the doshas together have to give the line of treatment of the individual doshas, means kapha vata hara chikitsa is to be applied here. And here one special basti is mentioned, that is the uttara basti with the taila made up of jivaniya group of drugs. The jivaniya siddha taila, uttara basti is to be given with the jivaniya siddha taila, that is the oil medicated with the jivaniya group of drug should be given. And another is a sansrishta chikitsa, that is nothing but the individual dosha chikitsa. Kaphaja and vataja dosha chikitsa can also be applied in cases of kapha vataja yoni rogas. Next is about the vata pittaja yoni roga chikitsa. The chikitsa siddhant is Sansrishtastu cha karayet. Same thing. That is in the yoni rogas caused by the visheshana of vata and pitta. Both the doshas together, the mixed treatment prescribed for the yoni rogas caused by the individual doshas should be done. So mixed treatment is mentioned here. Baladi sneha yamaka sneha panam. Charaka says that the decoction prepared with the 2 drona of bala should be mixed with the 1 adaka ghruta and oil. Now in this paste of sthira payasa jivanti Veera Rishabhaka Jivaka Shravani Pipali Mudgaparni Kakoli Shira Kakoli Kakanasha milk should be added and ghrita is to be prepared with its standard procedure. Oral use of this ghrita according to unknown strength cures the Vata Pittaja rogas. So here the special ghrita is mentioned for Vata Pittaja Yoni rogas, and also it also increases progeny and fertility. So here one special ghrita is mentioned by Charaka and Vagbhatas for Vata Pittaja Yoni rogas. Next, coming to the last one in the Doshik Yoni Vapa Chikitsa, which is the Sannipataja Yoni Roga Chikitsa. So coming to its line of treatment, the quotation of Charaka goes like this: Sannipate vimishram tu sansrishtasu cha karayet Sannipatam samutthayah karma sadharanam hitam. And according to Vagbhata, Sannipatam samutthayah karma sadharanam hitam. And one more is mentioned by Yoga Ratnakara: Sannipata samuthayam dashagri Srimad Kwatha Pichur hitam. So here the mixed treatment is mentioned, Vimishra Chikitsa or Sansrishta Chikitsa. So mixed treatment described under the individual dosha, and the general and simple treatment should be given. Karma sadharanam hitam. Karma sadharanam is simple treatment, and the mixed treatment Sansrishta Karayet Vimishra Chikitsa is mentioned here. So here even Virechana is also considered as beneficial. And Yoga Ratnakara has mentioned a special pichu or tampon for the Sannipataja Yoni rogas. They say that a tampon is to be given with the use of Dashangri and Srimad Kwatha. A tampon is to be, or the pichu is to be given with the kwatha made up of Dashangri and Srimada. Dashangri and Srimada kwatha is to be prepared, and with this kwatha the pichu is to be given in cases of Sannipataja Yoni Vyapada. So this is all about the Doshika Yoni Vyapad Chikitsa. Go through all the quotations and trying to by heart the Chikitsa Sutras of all the Yoni Vyapadas. Thank you.